Alright, this is my 1986 Kawasaki KX500. This is the cylinder off of it. We're going to be removing these power valves, and I'll show you how to line them up when you go to reinstall them. So, first things first, obviously get the cylinder off the engine. And what you're going to want to do on the right side is pull this collar off. There's two clips to hold it on. I've already removed them. I'll show you what they look like here. Once it decides to focus there we go. Then you got this plug. Unscrew it right out. Make sure you don't strip it on the way out. Then you got two valve guides, two exhaust valves, and the operating rod. So follow the service manual, just grab a set of pliers, pull up on the exhaust valves. Be careful not to put too much pressure on it so you don't go banging it around, but there's one valve guide. Same thing on the other side. Nice and easy. There's two valve guides. From there, pull your exhaust valves up about halfway. Pop this operating rod right out. And from there, pull your exhaust valves right out. So, when you go to reinstall these, you want to get them lined up right. You're going to have two little marks. Let's see if I can get it to focus here. If you can see, there's a mark right there, right above the gear, and also right there. Go ahead and drop these back into the home. And on your operating rod, you're going to have these little lines. They're on both sides there. Same method, pull these exhaust valves up halfway. Two finger method, hold them. Insert your operating rod, and then you have to play a little back and forth here once you go to get them lined back up. But you just line up that little dot on your exhaust valves with the line on the operating rod. You have to do one at a time. And just like that, boom. All done. Go ahead and reinstall your valve guides there. Put your plug back in, collar, clips, and don't forget those two screws. Like I said, I didn't have them when I got this, but let me get you off the tripod there. I'll get you a better view so you can see inside. All right, I had to come in with my phone on this section, but once you get them back in there, you look down in there, see how that dot is lined up with that line on the rod there? And if you come over to the other one, it's not going to be lined up yet, but you just adjust the guide rod there, and you can see dot to line on that one. Then you can go ahead and put your keepers in, plug back on, collar, your little clips. And that's the power valves on the 86. It's pretty simple. The Ducati 4s are the exact same way. If you were wondering, I'm assuming the Ducati 3s are as well. I just never did it on the 3, only the 4. But thanks for watching, guys. Catch you later.